Hello, hope you are doing great. So today I will show you how to turn off your display timing. So you just go to search panel. Here you will see right control panel. You will see the control panel and then go to network system and security. Then you will see the power option. If you click here power option, and you will see the balance recommended, change plan setting, and you will see here is the turn off display setting. So you can set the timing 10 minutes. So you just set 10 minutes, it will after 10 minutes the display will off, but the computer will never sleep. So you will set sleep option, how many time after how many hour or minute you want to make your computer sleep. Just set this, and I just make it never, so that computer will not sleep automatically. So turn off display is okay, and sleep is never. So then save changes, and you will see it will set 10 minute, and after 10 minutes the display will turn off. So thank you, and if you have any question let me know, comment below, and thank you so much.